Welcome back. In this video I'll be solving problem 739, daily temperatures. So given a rate of temperature, return answer. Number of days you have to wait until the ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day for which this is possible, keep answer of I equal to 0 instead. Well, this is kind of, it's not that hard, but by you have to know how to approach it. So I did solve this problem previously by remembering I passed through all the temperatures and made a dictionary with so key is the temperature between 30 and 100, and value is a list of, or it was actually a set, or Q, whatever, I think actually Q, DQ of that has indices where that temperature occurs. And when I arrive at some temperature, I check for those temperatures that are higher, which has the smallest index, and then I calculate, and that's it. But that's often times k, and we can do better using well, it's not monotonic stack because we can have equal values, but some variation of it. So essentially what we do, we push to a stack 73 and its index, and then we go to the next one. If next one is greater, like here, we go at the index of 73 and put index of the number, so we are taking into account, and actually pop it from stack, and in result for that so this number 73, that's index of result 0. So res is equal 0. Res is equal 0 times length of temperatures. And actually maybe we could do some dynamic programming and so on. This is hint. But yeah, let's continue on this. So for 7, we push 73, 0. Then we go to 74. We check on the stack. Do we have something that we can? But how do we check? Yeah, so we remove everything we can, and then we store 74, 1. Then we store 75, 1, and remove, so everything is removed here. Then we have 75, 1. Then we again push 71, 75, 2, 71, 3, 69, 4. And then we get 72, so 72 can kill 69, can kill 71, then we have left 75, and then we have 76, which removes 75, and then we have 76 at stack and 73 at stack, and that's it. And since we initialized with 0 everything, it should work, so kind of not that hard. Let's have stack will be so stack will be let's make it a list. Yeah, I can make it a list. So for count value in enumerate temperatures. Well, if there is something on the stack, or So if stack, or actually while stack of -1, 0 is less than value, I do index value is stack.pop, and result of I is equal count minus I. Okay. So while I can do it, and here I just push this one to stack. So stack dot append, it will be value and count, and essentially this looks it to me. Maybe I missed something. Maybe this. What do you mean? What I must. Did I? Okay, yeah, forget about it. I do it other way around, and then well, value and index. And okay, so it works. Kind of, if you know, you know. But again, really have to think about the problem and check maybe possible how would logically I'll solve the problem, and then go to the code. I tend to give up possibly too early. I apologize. So space complexity of n for the result, and time complexity of n. Nice, they don't give me, but yeah. Okay, guess everything was understandable. If you have any questions, leave any comments. I appreciate you for following this one, and see you in the next video.